The Boy Who Cried Wolf by ancient Greek writer Aesop is an immortal story within the English language, and here's why. It is about a shepherd boy who is bored and therefore cries wolf as a false alarm to the villagers. They come to help him only to see how he tricked them. As a consequence, they don't trust him anymore and don't come again when he cries wolf once more, this time for real. But no one believes him, and the wolf kills a sheep. The moral of the story is very obvious. He who is known for being dishonest won't be believed even if it's true what he says. Therefore, one should always be genuine and stick to the truth. The lesson is so trivial yet so important that we have created an idiom from it. To cry wolf to this day means to give false alarm in the English language. And this is why.